How to manage your Morgan Stanley credit card account online. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to manage your Morgan Stanley credit card account online. In order to manage your Morgan Stanley credit card account online, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to register. So for that, open up a browser or an application and type in Morgan Stanley. And when you actually go ahead and type in Morgan Stanley, that's going to take you to the official page, and then press the link that appears right on top or at the first, and then click the sign in button or sign on button and create your account. When you're done creating your account, then you could just go and log in into your account and enroll into the online access as well. Just follow the prompt. Next, what you have to do is, when you're logged in, you could go ahead and check your current and a past statement. You could also pay your credit card bills and monitor your recent transaction and account activity. Otherwise, you could also configure alerts for due dates, spending limit, and other account activity. You could change your contact details, address, and other personal information. If applicable, you may request an increase in your credit limit. And if your card offer reward, you can manage and redeem them online. If you encounter any issues or need assistance, you can contact the customer service team through the online portal by the phone or the application. So that is basically how you can manage Morgan Stanley credit card account online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.